Remove the back panels on your Multimac by pulling them from the top. Remove the harness straps from the yoke. You may want a blunt, flat tool to help you separate the two. To remove the buckle and the crotch strap, you'll need to remove the base panel of the Multimac. Do this by using a thin tool to remove the plastic fir trees. This will break them, but if we send you a replacement buckle, we will also send new fir trees. Undo the Adjustomac from the front of the Multimac. From underneath, twist the metal 3-bar plates of the lower harness straps and push them up through the holes. Remove the buckle by twisting the 3-bar metal plate up through the hole in the base of the Multimac. If you need to change the chest pads on your harness, you can thread the harness through the chest pads like so and secure it through the Adjustomac ring. To place the harness back on the Multimac, first thread the yoke through the big slot in the back of the seat frame, and then the connected pull strap through the smaller slit underneath. Thread the pull strap through the lift-up adjuster by lifting the button upwards. Thread the loose end of the harness through the 2 slits at the top. Fit the loops on the top of the harness into the metal yoke. And slot the metal bars connecting it to the buckle through the gaps on either side of the seat base. Fit the Adjustomac in the correct height for your child. Refit the base tray using the fir tree clips. Tap them into place using a mallet. Fit the back panels by inserting the bottom into the base tray and clipping the top into the headrest brackets. You can now replace the seat cushions and your new harness or chest pads are ready to go.